Kumusta mga kababayan? So, Kuya Enzo ito at I would just like to say, I would just like to ask you a question first before I proceed with this video. So, do you guys know UNTV? It's a Filipino news, right? You know this, yeah? UNTV. Well, I was just watching the news and look what I saw. You gotta be kidding me. It's wild. Wild. Look what I saw. So basically, I went through UNTV. So hold on, I'll show you. I'll show you. Okay, so I'm in my research. So see, UNTV news. Oh, yeah, hold on. News. Oh, bad. News. Look what they did. Uh, okay, so I was just watching the news and I saw this. What is that? See?